artist to Kimiko Arts. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a simple house. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
Thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to be learning how to draw a simple house. Now this was a special request, so I've been really looking forward to doing that today. So to start out our house, we want to break it down into the basic shapes. So we are going to start with drawing a square in the middle of your page. Then we are going to make our house look a little bit more three-dimensional. So to do that, we are going to draw two diagonal lines going up like this, and then another line that's going straight down that is parallel to this line. After that, we are going to add the roof. So for the roof, we are going to start with a triangle, and then we are going to draw a line for the top of the roof that is on a diagonal that matches this line, and then the back of the roof which matches this line. After that, we can add some details to our house to make it more exciting and appealing, and to personalize it a bit. Now I'm gonna add a door to begin with, and you can add any type of door to your house, but I'm gonna have one with kind of an arch at the top, and then it's going to have a doorknob, a little window at the front, and then I'm gonna add a border to make it stand out a little, and then two round windows. You can have square windows, rectangular windows, whatever type of windows you would like. After that, I'm going to add a side window. This one I think is going to be rectangular. And then a chimney as well. So for the chimney, I'm going to start it with a rectangle, and then I'm going to add the side to it, and then add a little bit of smoke coming out of the chimney. Now, after I have the basic shapes done for my house, you can add some other stuff around it to make it your picture more appealing. So I'm gonna add some little shrubs near the front and the side. I'm gonna add a horizon line to make my house look like it's sitting somewhere. I'm gonna add a front passageway or a front walkway. Maybe a few trees. Maybe even a mailbox. Then I'm going to add some hills in the background. You can add any type of background you would like. Maybe some clouds in the sky. maybe the sun poking through. Now once I have all of that drawn, I'm going to go over my drawing with a permanent marker to really make it stand out and look cartoony. So I'm going to start by outlining my house. Now I'm going to erase all my pencil lines that I made.
There you have it, an exceptional simple house that would be a wonderful place to live for any of your imaginative characters. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.